There is this new feature on the GoPro, but it's not really so new. It's called the GoPro HiLights feature. With the GoPro HiLights feature, if you're going out BMX, mountain biking or anything and you see something cool or possibly something bad, then you just press the mode button or on the GoPro Hero session, the small little tab on the very bottom. With that, then when you are going through what is the app, it will show is an orange mark on your timeline. So you can simply activate this by just recording on the GoPro itself and then just pressing on the mode button like I am, and it's going to say highlight added on the camera itself. Now this will be very useful for your editing, but it does not pop up in the editing software with a big mark or something like that. It's only work with the editing program that they provide within the GoPro app. This will make your life a little bit easier, and hopefully this tip got you through. Now I'm Reagan from ReaganVFilms Tech, and if you're new here, check out one of these videos because I make some pretty cool videos out here, what do you say, with all of these GoPro. Now I'm Reagan from ReaganVFilms Tech. Now shaka and mahalo. I'll see you on the next adventure.